What time do you get up? What time do you get up?
I get up at 6 a.m. I get up at 6 a.m.
Do you take a shower in the morning? Do you take a shower in the morning?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What do you eat for breakfast? What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs. Bread and eggs.
Do you brush your teeth every day? Do you brush your teeth every day?
Of course. Of course.
What do you wear to work? What do you wear to work?
A shirt and trousers. A shirt and trousers.
How do you go to work? How do you go to work?
By bus. By bus.
What time do you start work? What time do you start work?
At 8 a.m. At 8 a.m.
Do you like your job? Do you like your job?
Yes, it's interesting. Yes, it's interesting.
What do you do at lunchtime? What do you do at lunchtime?
I eat and relax. I eat and relax.
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
At 5 p.m. At 5 p.m.
Do you cook dinner at home? Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, every day. Yes, every day.
What do you usually eat for dinner? What do you usually eat for dinner?
Rice and fish. Rice and fish.
Do you do housework? Do you do housework?
Yes, I clean the kitchen. Yes, I clean the kitchen.
Do you watch television in the evening? Do you watch television in the evening?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed?
At 10 p.m. At 10 p.m.
Do you sleep well? Do you sleep well?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you read books? Do you read books?
Yes, I love novels. Yes, I love novels.
Do you exercise every day? Do you exercise every day?
Not every day. Not every day.
What's your daily routine? What's your daily routine?
I work, eat, and rest. I work, eat, and rest.
Do you go out on weekends? Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, often. Yes, often.
Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning? Do you drink coffee or tea in the morning?
Coffee. Coffee.
What time do you have lunch? What time do you have lunch?
At 1 p.m. At 1 p.m.
What do you do after dinner? What do you do after dinner?
I watch a movie. I watch a movie.
Do you call your family every day? Do you call your family every day?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you check your phone in bed? Do you check your phone in bed?
Sometimes. Sometimes.
Do you take a nap? Do you take a nap?
Yes, in the afternoon. Yes, in the afternoon.
Do you cook with your family? Do you cook with your family?
Yes, we cook together. Yes, we cook together.
Do you clean your room? Do you clean your room?
Yes, every Saturday. Yes, every Saturday.
Do you write in a diary? Do you write in a diary?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
What time is your alarm set? What time is your alarm set?
5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m.